好，各位同學大家好，呢一條咧係2024年嘅 DSE 17條 MC 啦。咁呢條題目咧就問你關於 taxi service 呢一個 market 嘅，咁就考翻呢一個傳統嘅 demand supply 啦咁樣。咁但係呢一條題目咧都可能唔係個個同學都會識答嘅。咁我哋先望翻先。嗱，而家條題目咧係提供咗呢個 supply curve of taxi service 俾大家啦。然後就問你哋咧，以下邊個情況咧係最能夠咧係去解釋翻 change in equilibrium position， 請大家 highlight 翻 equilibrium position from point S to point Y。好啦，咁首先咧，大家要釐清一樣嘢咧，就係當如果我哋要揾 equilibrium position 嘅時候咧，就必須要又有 demand，又有 supply， 然後咧我哋睇翻個 intersection point 咧，其實我哋先至會揾到 equilibrium 嘅。咁而家呢幅圖咧就淨係提供咗條 supply curve 俾大家啫。咁所以咧你就要自己係去想像翻啦。咁究竟嗰條 demand curve 係向邊咧？嗱，如果而家嗰個嘅 equilibrium point 係會由 X 係會係轉變到去 Y 嘅時候咧，咁唯一嘅解釋就係我哋而家咧有條嘅 demand curve 啦，係由呢一個嘅穿過 point S， 咁就移師到咧係去穿過 point Y。咁唯一嘅解釋就係當 demand 咧係出現咗一個 decrease in demand from D1 to D2 嘅時候咧，咁我哋先至會咧係有機會咧發生呢一個嘅事情嘅，就係會令到個 equilibrium point，OK，咁就係 decrease from 呢一個就會由呢一個嘅 point S 跌到落去呢一個嘅 point Y。咁唯一嘅解釋就係當如果有一個 decrease in demand from D1 to D2嘅時候咧，咁先至可以發生呢件事。咁所以 A 就會錯咗啦，因為 lowers the taxi fares 咧，純粹就係一個價錢嘅下跌啦。OK， 咁所以就唔會係一個 decrease in demand 嚟㗎。咁 boy 會係我哋答案喎？點解啊？因為當如果政府提供一啲 subsidy 俾 citizens，highlight 翻 citizens 啦，嚟到去用呢個 various service 嘅時候咧，就會令到咧呢一個嘅 demand for various service 咧就會係增加嘅。咁但係咧同時間啦，由於係 substitutes 嘅關係咧，咁就會令到咧呢一個嘅 demand for taxi service 咧就會係減少啦。咁所以 boy 係答案。好啦。C government reduce the quota on taxi license。咁當如果呢個嘅的士嗰個嘅即係牌照嘅 quota 係進一步減少嘅時候咧，其實就會令到 taxi service 嘅供應都會減少，所以呢個應該係會令到 supply of taxi service 咧係下跌先啱嘅。咁然後 dot 啦 ，government amends the law to punish providers of ride-sharing services such as Uber drivers。咁啊懲罰嗰啲咧Uber drivers 喎。咁呢個情況會發生咩事咧？就會令到咧 Uber 咧嗰個嘅 supply 咧係會減少啦，咁於是乎咧就會令到咧呢一個嘅 quantity transacted 咧 of Uber service 咧都會減少啦。咁由於 Uber 同埋呢一個 taxi 咧亦都係 substitutes 嘅，咁所以咁嘅情況底下咧就會令到咧呢一個嘅 demand for taxi service 咧就應該會係增加嘅，咁所以亦都唔會係我哋答案啦。咁所以正確嘅答案係 boy。